Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Regular household baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is an easy clarifier to use. Baking soda naturally lifts grease and product residue from your hair. Your hair clean will be free of buildup and will appear much softer and shinier. 8 December 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Dull-looking hair. It's very easy to see when your hair is suffering from buildup because usually, you will notice that your hair looks very dull in appearance. Usually, at this point, no matter if you add water, leave-in conditioner or anything else, your hair just won't be able to receive it. 12 June 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
To make this concoction, Natural 85 recommends a mix of 3 parts apple cider vinegar to 1 part warm water. Shake vigorously to blend. Apply to the scalp, avoiding the length of your hair as much as possible. Definitely make sure you dilute the vinegar. 15 December 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
I tried washing my hair with 4 different homemade shampoos. Here's what happened. Egg shampoo recipe. Babe Parker. I already had all the ingredients for this shampoo in my kitchen. You probably do, too. Avocado shampoo recipe. Babe Parker. Apple cider vinegar shampoo. Babe Parker. Coconut milk recipe. Babe Parker. The 20th of January 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.